Hello, this is Retro Marky. Just a very quick video, not really a proper one, but more of a informative one, I guess. I was doing a repair this week, and it came down to the CPU here, and I thought I would just quickly post what I saw to give you some clues if you're doing a repair in future. So, if we power on the machine, we'll either get a black screen. It looks like we are. Or sometimes I did get a garbage load of characters, which I can't seem to reproduce right now, but a lot of ampersands. Oh, there we go. There you go. They can see it there. This came down to a fault in the CPU. I was probing the address lines here, down here from pin 7, and then some along here as well, and noticed a couple of them were stuck. You could do that with a oscilloscope if you wanted to, or even a cheapo logic probe. I think I was using a logic probe at the time actually. So ended up being a CPU swap. Just to prove my point, I'll swap out the CPU. So using exactly the same board with a different CPU in it, and you can see it's working. Now, how I figured this out in the first place, I'd just like to quickly show you, because it involves the dead test cart here. So let's pop in the original dead CPU and show you what happened. So here we go. This is what came up on the dead test cartridge, and this was quite useful to me because I could see, so we got some of the graphics there, so we could see it's got past the RAM test, and if we look at the dead test working properly, so what the dead test is telling us is that it's past the RAM, it's executing the code on the cartridge, and the CPU is just looping round, because the first test, as we saw the dead test working, is the CPU. So swap that out and jobs are good, and so just thought I would share that with you. It's a new one for me, not seen this before. Quite a nice fix actually. So there we go, just a quick video. Retro Marky out.